Okay, this is a little add-on because I noticed when I was finished, this logo is slightly different to the other one. The way the gradient is working, it's going from purple sort of into blue into purple, and then it starts again. Okay, and if I actually click on, nope, not there. Bear with me. If I click on the shape, and then click on the gradient tool, so you'll see all of these lines. So it's creating different gradients and different shapes. Now the reason for that is that even though I merge these shapes together with this tool, let me just close that off so we can see a little bit better. There's another little step that I need to do that I didn't need to do in the other logo. So if we look at the other logo, yeah, it's kind of weird. I didn't need to do this step here, but if that happens, what you need to do is click on where you have this infinity symbol, and then if you go up to Object, okay, it's slightly off the screen here. You may not pick this up, but right down the bottom here, there's something called Compound Path and Make. Okay, so see the way now it's the gradient is kind of going from one shape to the next. So yeah, if you have a group of different shapes and you fill it with a gradient and it's filling each shape separately with a gradient rather than across them all, if you go Object, Compound Path, Make, so it's putting all those paths together. So that's just a little add-on to that last video. Okay, great, thank you.